Some SUVs are built to get you from point A to point B, but the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus Premier I, this one makes every letter in the alphabet feel like a luxury experience. Right up front, you've got Lincoln's signature grille flanked by sleek LED headlamps and jewel-like daytime running lights. And yes, this color you are seeing, diamond red metallic clear coat. It's as rich and deep in person as it sounds. This one's rocking the 20-inch bright machined aluminum wheels with carbonized gray pockets, black exterior accents. Inside is where the Nautilus really flexes. You're greeted by Lincoln's soft trim, ambient lighting, and look at this, a panoramic digital display stretching across the dash, paired with an 11.1-inch center touchscreen. It's not just a screen, it's like a command center for your drive. Heated front seats? Check. Heated steering wheel? Double check. Wireless charging? Of course. And because Lincoln knows how to do quiet luxury, you've got acoustic laminated glass keeping the world outside where it belongs. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. A 2.0-liter i4 hybrid paired with an ECVT automatic transmission. You're looking at 30 miles per gallon combined, 31 on the highway. That means you can cruise from here to Vegas without making your wallet cry at the pump. Safety and convenience? Lincoln loaded this one up. You have a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking. Basically, it's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired or asks for snacks. So why is this 2025 Lincoln Nautilus Premier I special? Because it's the perfect balance of style, technology, efficiency, and pure Lincoln luxury. Come see it here at South Bay Ford in Lincoln. Take a seat and you'll understand why once you drive a Lincoln, you don't just go places, you arrive.